I'm Jackie Coffman.
And I'm Steve Coffman.
We are originally from Northern Virginia, and we came here to the Townsend St. James in November of 2018. Steve and I were married in 1999, and we actually spent our honeymoon on Bald Head Island. And when it was time to make a decision about retirement, we chose St. James and Southport.
We made a trip here in October of 2017 to look at property once again here at St. James. At that time, Logan Homes was ready to build the townhomes here. And we had looked at Logan Homes before for even single-family homes, but the townhomes just really met our need then versus a single-family home.
One of the major reasons that we chose the Seagrass model, which is an attached townhome, is the low maintenance.
With all that there is to do here available with the outdoors and everything like that, we don't have to worry about, well, we've got to cut the grass today, or we have this to do and whatnot with the upkeep around the outside. That's taken care of. So it meets all our needs. It's just been fantastic. The communication was there, it was established, and just always we were informed, up to date,
Right.
Weekly.
Timely, and there was never a question that was left on the table. It was always answered. If there was an issue, it was dealt with immediately. I couldn't say enough about the communication. We personalized this in kind of a big way. There were a lot of things that had always been on our list of, gee, if we build a new house, this will be it. And also, having seen that Logan home years before, we definitely wanted the 3-season room we have here. We did a curved counter on the island. We put hardwood floors throughout. We do have the bonus room. And am I leaving anything out here?
The fire pit.
Oh, the fire pit. Yes, Steve's fire pit.
That was a very nice option that was available, and we took it right from the beginning.
And my double ovens.
I feel like we're bringing the outdoors in when we have our porch here, and since we do have the glassed in, and we have lots of use in it with at least the 3 seasons. So I feel like I'm inside yet, I'm outside.
I love the wellness center. I take several classes there when the spirit moves me. I walk almost every day with some of my neighbors, which is really cool because you get to know people, and there haven't been a lot of social opportunities for us yet as people are still moving into our neighborhood, but I do like that walking in the morning.
Since we've been in here over 60 days now, we've had our 60-day walk through. There were just a few things and nothing major that they had to come back and take care of, but they really taken care of immediately.
The opportunity to make it your own is, there are just so many options. There's not another house in here that's just like mine.